Hello friends, so today we are going to see about how to use the AI SEO writing tools. So our website is AI SEO writing tools, and when you go to the pricing, you can see the various payment option we have. So if you don't have an account, you can order it from there. We right now have 100 credit as a minimum plan per month. AI cost is inclusive right now until 15th March. So we also have other options of unlimited. So if you already have an account and you want to upgrade, you can just let me know over the Skype or email ID support@webji.services. So now we see today how we can use the app. First of all, you need to mention here your email ID, whatever the email ID you have been assigned the AI SEO writing tools app license. So use your license ID only. If you use any other ID, it won't pass the license and content won't be created. Here you need to put the main keyword. So let me just put a sample ID here, and then our keyword may be web hosting area. Things to ensure in content. What we see is like every piece of content might have certain kind of sometime you might have certain kind of things which you want to include in outline, or certain direction which you may be required to give to the AI so that it can directly write the exact content. So right now I will choose India as my country. You can use whatever country is your target. I will use brand name there and web page content. So it can be web page content, or it can be services page content, or it can be location service location page, it can be blog post, it can be informative blog post, and it can be like uh, listicle blog post. And in the listicle case, you need to count them manually and put 1 2 3 and then organize it using word HTML, but the SEO optimized content would be there. So whatever the content you get, you can just copy that here, edit here, and then you get your code or the final content. So word.html.com can be used to edit or review your content. Now here we go. So things to ensure, make sure to include all these in outline. And now I can give certain keywords, whatever kind of keywords I want to give it. It's not necessary. If you don't have any kind of content, you can just put the same keyword here, and then also it will create a very good quality content. So what it will do, it will go and search for the keyword into the Google for the top competition, read their outline, find out the content gaps, then create a fantastic SEO optimized outline, and it would create the content. You can also include all these keywords in content or outline as suitable. And then you can put your related searches or PAA, people also ask, or whatever kind of thing here. You can also have multiple lines. I see some of the user, they put up to a 1 page of instruction. That way also it helps. So I won't suggest you should do overcomplicate this part, because already system is doing over 90 steps to generate your AI content. So it is already taking care of so many things. So you don't have to type every instruction in things to ensure in content area. So what you can do is you can just put up some of your very important keywords or some of your dimensions, what you want to cover. Make sure to cover these topics in outline, and then you can also give certain topics to it. Or you can use make sure content is as per the WOMA, which is the brand voice. And then you can put up your brand voice data here. So then it would be highly targeted and it would cover up the content based on your brand voice. So these are some of the ways how you can use things to ensure. And I'm very happy to give you a tool that you can also control certain part, how you want your writing to be. Every content is a different content. So we intentionally don't have a drop down, because you can put any type of instruction of what kind of content you expect. So when it's a web page, just make sure to use web page. When it's a blog post, make sure to use blog post, and it can be any type of blog post, any type of web page, whatever you think you need, you can just put it accordingly. And when deciding for the content, I would always recommend you search your main keyword into Google yourself. See if the blog posts are ranking, then it means it's an informative blog post type of content, then you should not create a web page. And if there are web pages ranking, then you should not create a blog post, then you should create a web page about it, and then you should mention here web page content or something like that. So thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and I was planning to record this video for a long because it may help all the users. Thank you very much. Namaskar.